This quick video could be useful for builders or SME developers in Ireland that are interested in purchasing lands without the benefit of planning permission in place. Obviously, there's a lot of land there on the market at the moment that's being labelled as development land, and it's also being sold with that hope value built in to the sales value. So, it might only be agricultural land that's worth, say, 10, 15 grand an acre, and it's being sold for 100 grand an acre on the back of having development potential. Obviously, there's a big risk there for people who are looking to purchase this land with this supposed potential. So it's important for you to be able to quickly and efficiently check the potential. Now, this is stuff that you can pay a planning consultant to do for you, or you can pay me to do it for you. But I suppose once you learn to do it once, you can then do it on all the sites that you're looking at, and it'll obviously save you time and money down the line. So there's two documents that you need to look for. The one I've got up here, I've just picked Galway at random. So the development plan is the document which will basically tell you the strategy and the plan for the local authority for the plan period. So you'll see here, 2023 to 2029 is the current plan for Galway. Now, we'll come to this second, actually. Firstly, I want to show you the land use zoning map. You can find this easy. Just do a quick search. So you could search Galway land use zoning maps, Belfast land zone use maps, Dublin, Cork. You get the drift. And yeah, so all you want to do, you're checking the key for the land use. They'll give you a key, which will come up now, which will explain the preferred use, right? So let's say in this instance, we're interested in residential. What you need to do is check off your plot against the map. So for residential, we were looking for the bright yellow. Let's say this was my plot here on the market for £1 million with development potential. I can see, okay, that's all residential. It's clearly got development potential. It's got potential. Let's spend a little bit more time on it, okay? The next thing I'll do is I'll go back into the policies or the detail policy, and I'll have a read, and I'll see exactly what it's telling me about the preferred land use, and then go from there. So I said two documents in which the planners need to make their decisions: the zoning maps and the development plan, and less material indications. The decisions need to be made in accordance with the local development plan, unless there's material considerations which indicate otherwise. So yeah, if you start doing that, be able to understand what the local authority you're looking for. And these two are effectively giving you the answers to the exams. So you still want to be looking at a high level of things like access, character, can you build the type of dwelling that you're looking to build, check densities, all this other stuff. But first and foremost, learn to check the zoning maps. That'll give you an indication of the development potential, and then you can go from there. I hope you found that useful.